I'm Jamie. I oversee the Miroverse template review team. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of editing your Miroverse template. Once you've published your template in Miroverse, you can make changes anytime you like, from tweaking the name to updating the cover image and more. Let's dive in. First off, you can access editing mode from two different places. Number one, head over to your template on Miroverse. You'll see an edit button in the top right of the page just above the preview. Click that and you'll be taken to template editing mode. You can also enter template editing mode directly from your Miroverse profile. Editing content on the board itself is the most common update we see. When you submit a template to Miroverse, we create a copy of your original board, which becomes the live version people will see and use in Miroverse. So to change what's on your board, you'll need to edit your original board in Miro. Once you've made your changes in Miro, head back to your template on Miroverse, hit Edit again, and choose Change Board at the top of the form. Select your updated board, and you're good to go. From this editing form, you can also tweak your template's name, categories, description, video links, and cover image. Once you're happy with the edits, feel free to preview them, and then click Publish to push them live. After you click Publish, you'll get a confirmation on screen, as well as a confirmation via email. The best part, your updates will be live in minutes. If you ever need a hand or have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at Miroverse@Miro.com. We're here to help. That's it for today's tutorial on editing your Miroverse template. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy editing!